work real well.
Hi, this is Brad Buckner, sharpensbest.com. We've got a bunch of my stuff in my bag that I use at the shows out here on the table, and just kind of demoing, talking about them, and just learning a little bit and listening to the young man here, talk about the knives and his knives, things like that. So let's take a look. Those two knives on the end belongs to Jose. Actually 3, I think. 4, including the buck knife over there.
This one and these two.
This is Brad Buckner, sharpensbest.com. Trying to talk over the F-18 flying overhead. We'll see you later.